Hello everybody children. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. So I'm eagerly waiting to see you, and congratulations students on doing your first term well. Your cooperation and doing your first term test, homeworks and exam was very well, and I hope your students will give the same cooperation towards the second term, and thank you to all. Okay, now I will show you first term reduced syllabus. You check whether you return your first term classworks in update. Okay, this is the first term syllabus for you. In unit 1, poem and supplementary only is the unit 1. Poem is a special hero, supplementary women on platform, and grammar parts of speech. Second unit, prose and supplementary grammar adjective. Third unit only having preposition and modal. This is the first term reduced syllabus. In your classwork you have to return whether check it unit 1 poem supplementary, unit 2 prose and supplementary you written or not, check it in your classwork. GB you have to write the letter writing. Okay, first term you have to finish all these classwork, and then this is a second term syllabus. You can write it in your classwork note backside or tick it in your textbook. This is a unit second term. Unit 4 prose, poem, grammar is conjunction, connectors and sentence pattern. Okay, unit 5 only having grammar, tenses, conditional clause. In unit 6 only reported speech. In second term only having prose, poem. Okay, and grammar. GP is notice writing. Okay, this is a second term syllabus. Okay, today we are going to learn unit 4 prose. Okay, that is My Reminiscence. The author is Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, My Reminiscence. What is mean by My Reminiscence? My Reminiscence. Anybody? Yes. What is mean by reminiscence? Okay, may I ask you some question? Do you have some green memories? Okay, somebody's have so many incident and so many things will be there green our memories. In all the life we have some green memories. Okay, we think it of what are all the green memories we having. Okay, here some memories are the timeless and treasure of the art. Okay, reminiscence means is a memories. Okay, Rabindranath Tagore, the memories in the lesson. Okay, some memories, some beautiful memories he written. Okay, our title that only the memories means the memories. Okay, our title is that only the reminiscence means memories. Okay, and today we are going to see one of the reminiscence only. Okay, today we are going to see the one of the reminiscence of the great author Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, to tell a few words about the poet and author. Okay, Rabindranath Tagore, he born in 1861 and he died 1941. He received Nobel Prize winning Bengali poet, author, songwriter, philosopher and artist and educator who wrote Geetanjali in 1912. My Reminiscence, 8 parts and 44 reminiscence, this is 32, were written and published in his 15th year, shortly before he started on a trip to Europe and America for his falling health in 1912. Okay, Rabindranath Tagore, he received a Nobel Prize for the Bengali poet, and he is a author, songwriter and philosopher, artist, and he wrote the Geetanjali in 1912. Reminiscence is the 8 part. Okay, and Rabindranath Tagore written 44 reminiscence. Okay, in 44 reminiscence we can see the 32 reminiscence. This is a 32 reminiscence we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, here we can see the outline of the lessons. Tagore returned home from a second voyage to England. His brother Jyotindra resided at a riverside villa and Chandan Nagar in West Bengal. Tagore went there to stay with him. Tagore recalled a marvelous day which spent joyfully along the river Ganges. The bright sky, breeze, flow of the river, it stretched from the horizon to horizon. Greenery, all were the food and drink for the author. He noticed many changes when he visited the Ganges. The greenery had been replaced by huge noisy mills and imitating smoke. Okay, Rabindranath Tagore, he returns the past memories Okay, it's a beautiful lesson, is a reminiscence. This is a 32 reminiscence I written. Okay, here Tagore returned from the second voyage to England. This is the second voyage they are traveling, and the brother is Jochandra, resided the riverside Vella and Chandan Nagar in West Bengal. Tagore went there to stay with his brother, and Tagore recalled the marvelous day and spent the joyful river Ganges. Okay, while he reminiscence, all he recollect the past memories. He written the how the river side is, how the memories are, a bright sky, breeze, and then flowing of the river. He all recollecting from the reminiscence. Okay, he recollecting the memories, horizon to horizon, and in riverside they all greenery, all were food and drink to the author. He noticed all is collecting the memories in the riverside. Okay, and then we can learn. First, I'm giving the outline of the lesson only. Okay, then we can learn the full detail in the textbook. Okay, and then the author spent his afternoon at the riverside singing song to his own tunes and playing the harmonium. At night, Tagore sat on the terrace facing the river. He viewed the river reflecting the moonlight. Dark trees bordering the river banks and a silver streak separate the land and water. He described his villa and the Chandrangur in a holy district. A flight of stones, embedded steps lead from the riverside water to a long, broad veranda of the house. The topmost room of the house was in a round tower with windows opening to every side. Tagore used this room for writing poetry. Okay, the author they spent his afternoon in the riverside, and riverside he singing a song and his own tunes playing the harmonium. Tagore sat on the terrace and he recollecting the memories. He seeing the riverside and facing the riverside and recollecting the memories. He reflecting the moonlights, dark trees, and the bordering the river banks and silver stick. Whether think it of visiting on the riverside, whether think how is very beautiful. No, I shown some images inside. See, dark moon and the riverside, think it of all is very very beautiful. Okay, he described the villa also. Okay, and he flight on the stones, embedded steps lead from the riverside water along broader veranda to the house, and he describes how is the river in river the side, so many pebbles, so many stones are there. No, he also describes. Okay, the topmost room of the house was in the round tower with the windows opening at every side. In the topmost rooms is there in house is a tower of the window opening at every side. In that room, Tagore used this room for the writing the poetry. Tagore always used that room in writing for the poetry. Okay, he used to write the poetries and recollect the so many reminiscences are there. Here some quotes: everything comes to us that belongs to us if we create the capacity to receive it. So the Rabindranath Tagore, I want to tell this quotes is very beautiful, and your assignment is book page number 92. They given some to describe the adjective. Okay, you see the picture and describe the adjective key mind check. Okay.